Hey y'all, it's Mahlengi. Thank you so much for stopping by and liking and commenting and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you guys so much. So, namhlanje video is Tsonga. If you're not hearing me right now, I feel like you have been absent in class. But you know what? I'm gonna be explaining to you guys, I promise. There's just certain things that not just Tsonga people, black people cannot say right. I think if I need to be honest, because we cannot now Tsongalize English. For example, who contributor. It's like contribution, but that buta, I have no idea. Like imagine talking to someone, right? The minute nisukakaku contribution to contribution, I feel like I could spit something out of my mouth. And then there's this one. This one is the celeb of them all. When we go to the police station and request an affidavit, to us, ilabanana affidavit. Ilaba affidavit, and I mean, God forbid that the person helping us is a white person. I think this is an Afrikaans name, isn't it? It's not even English, it's Afrikaans, but affidavit, as long as mistresisa naikombe. Certificate. I just feel like these words were created by our people who never wanted to speak English. But the fact that we have less words with things, it's like I would much rather you should Tsongalize than to actually use it as it is. Certificate. You cannot satisfy a document. No. Satisfy. Woman. Certify. Reasonable. But to satisfy. No, Mark satisfy in a police station. Yeah. Another thing that will kill us as Tsonga children to Tsonga parents. And then they expect you to come back with it. I want this I can't even read. I can't even. So what am I supposed to do now? Get in your brains, try to understand where you're coming from, and give it to you. And then if you don't get it, that's another conversation. Another thing, let me teach you guys Tsongarism. Someone sees you looking amazing, ne? Look cute, they like what you're wearing. Then they send you a message. Nkombela rock or nkombela skipa. What they're actually trying to say is it's beautiful. And for lack of better words, give it to me. It's either that or you get people who say, Ushabe queen. Like, where did you buy it? We can ask those questions because of two reasons. One, I want it. I'm actually going to buy it. Number two, I just think it looks crazy. Very sarcastic. Sometimes it comes with a sense of like no voice you carry that Tsongas use that you just have to know, Gorishem, it's not a compliment. So this is how Tsongas gossip. Or this is when you should know they're gossiping about you. Urangu size you. Everything. We start there. The minute I say, Kawanamani, leave whatever you're doing. It's time to talk. Okay, my future mamazala is Bedi, ne? Not Tsonga. So I'm not sure if the conversation is gonna be that nice if I had gotten like a Tsonga mother. Twandlala sanana energy namatimba swona. I have to go. This is another Muzi. I love you. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.